In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label the X and Y axes in Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. We've all been there, creating a graph and realizing that it could look cleaner or be easier to understand with just a bit of effort. So let's dive in and transform your charting experience in Google Sheets. First, we begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have a sheet ready, go ahead and open Google Sheets in your web browser. Once you've got the sheet open, you'll want to highlight the data range. Let's highlight from cell A1 to B3. This selection includes both your data and top cell headers, which typically contain your category and value headings, important for labeling your chart correctly. Next, we move on to the menu bar. Click on Insert. This is where we start building our chart. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. By doing this, Google Sheets will instantly generate a chart using your selected data. Typically, the default selection here will be a column chart, which is perfect for most types of data representation. So let's go with that for simplicity's sake. Once your chart is displayed, it might seem a bit plain, but don't worry, let's jazz it up a bit. Right-click anywhere on your chart to access additional options. From the menu that appears, choose Chart and Axis Titles and then Chart Title to give your chart a name. In the input box provided, go ahead and type in the desired title for your chart. Make sure it's descriptive enough to convey what the chart represents without being too long. Now, let's add some clarity to the axes. Select Horizontal Axis Title using the same menu. In the input box, type the title for the horizontal axis. Think about what represents your data points on this axis. After inputting the title, you might want to enhance visibility by adjusting the font size. Set this to 16 to ensure it's easily readable. Moving on to the vertical axis, we'll give it some attention too. Select Vertical Axis Title from the same series of options. Again, in the input box, type in the title for this axis. It should describe what those data points measure. Finally, let's make sure the vertical axis title is equally easy to read by setting its font size to 16 as well. And there you have it, a well-labeled chart in Google Sheets. By following these steps, your data should now be easier to interpret, making your presentations and reports that much more effective. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and be sure to check out more guides for additional tips and tricks in using Google Sheets effectively.